Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Looking for the best app you can depend on when it comes to transferring your iPad files to your PC? In this video, I'll help you choose which best app you can use to transfer your files from iPad to PC. Let's go. The best app depends on your specific needs, such as the types and volume of files, desired speed, and wired or wireless preference. Third-party apps are the most recommended because these tools offer a better user experience and more flexibility than Apple's native solutions. I'll recommend a software that excels at it. This tool can easily move all your stuff, like photos, videos, contacts, and messages from one iPhone to another, or between your iPhone and your Windows or Mac. You can even move things to or from an Android phone. Another big reason to use it is for backing up and restoring your data. You can make a full copy of your iPhone's data to keep it safe, and if something happens, you can bring it all back, or even choose just specific things to restore. You can get it all by clicking the link I've provided in the description box below and downloading the tool. Make sure to check the tech specifications. To transfer files from your phone to the computer or vice versa, launch the tool first on your PC. Then choose Phone to PC or PC to Phone on the main screen. And click the Next button to move on. Select here the category you want to copy from your source to your target. You can also specify where to store the transferred items in advance. Otherwise, they will be placed on the desktop by default. Afterward, click the Transfer button to start copying the files to your computer or mobile. Depending on the size of the files, this process may take a few seconds or a while. Wait for the transfer process to finish. Once it is complete, go to the selected folder to check the items. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or want me to create a tutorial about another topic, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.